Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A03s smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can activate or turn on TalkBack in your phone Samsung Galaxy A03s. TalkBack will be useful for using phone by blind people or low vision people. To activate it, what you have to do is just go to the settings smartphone and then click on accessibility, then click on TalkBack and just turn on this button, and it will ask you to allow the permission and click on turn on and see here.
Welcome to TalkBack.
TalkBack is turned on,
Page
and
1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have
TalkBack,
difficulty seeing the screen.
according to
It
the
gives you spoken
TalkBack,
feedback so that
you
you
go
can use your
to
device
just
without looking at the screen. You can turn TalkBack
slide,
on or off by
and
holding
then you
both
can
volume keys for
navigate
several
to
seconds.
different page by
When TalkBack
using
is up, the
and
focused item on the
hearing the voice instruction provided there. See here, if you want to go to the home page, just if you are blind people, just you will tap something on the screen, and it will tell, your phone will tell what it is. Okay, for example, if you touch here,
Home button, navigation bar. Double tap to
it gives
activate.
the instruction that it is home button. So you can understand that by hearing that voice, you can understand that this is home button, and what it said. To activate to this home button, you go to double tap on it. Okay, yes,
One UI home, weather, in pager.
activated.
Double
So
tap and hold to long
if you want to
press.
go to Play Store, just you will
Play
tap
Store,
something
one
on the
notification.
screen, and
Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold
yes,
to long press.
it's
Actions
saying that
available. Use
it
tap
is
with 3
Google
fingers
Play
to view.
Store, and double tap to activate. Okay, so in this way you
Play
can
Store.
easily
Sign in
navigate.
as Doimani
Okay,
Goebre
suppose
at
if you want to go to the
gmail.com.
settings, just
Google
you go to use two fingers. Okay, then slide like this, and then
Notification
only
shade.
you can go
Phone
to
signal
the
full. Quick
notification
settings.
area and settings area. Okay, here if
Open
you tap
settings
here
button. Double tap to
and
activate.
double tap it, settings will open.
Settings.
Okay,
Search settings
so in this
button.
way you can easily
Double tap
activate
to activate. Double tap
TalkBack,
and hold
and
to
you
long
can
press.
easily navigate and access your phone. So if you are a blind people or your friend or something, or if you are relative uh, will if your relative will have to use the phone with low
Spoken
vision or
language.
blind,
Swipe up or
then
swipe
just you
down
can
to
use
adjust the
this
setting.
function, and you can activate this function and give your phone to them, and they can easily access the phone. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.